Walking sports continue to grow in popularity and active. These sports are designed to help people get fit or maintain an active lifestyle, regardless of age or fitness level. They are especially beneficial in reintroducing individuals to sports if they have previously given up due to age or injury. As the name suggests, walking sports are versions of traditional sports like football, rugby or netball, following the standard game rules but with players walking instead of running. Walking sports offer a range of physical health benefits as well as mental health and social advantages. Many groups gather for a cuppa after sessions, making them the perfect place to stay connected and make new friends too. As well as walking sports, there are other sessions for individuals to get involved in, including paddleboarding, walk, talk and run groups and more.